So what are the 4 things that you should do immediately after being involved in an auto accident? Number 1, get to a safe location. One of the worst cases I ever had to work on was my first wrongful death claim as an attorney. And our client was involved in a minor fender bender and then just pulled off to the side of the road. It was on a busy highway. It was icy as well. And while they were out of their car exchanging information with the other driver, a semi came by, lost control on the ice, and smashed into our client and killed her. So make sure that you are aware of your surroundings and get to a safe location before you start exchanging information or doing anything like that with the other party. Step number 2 after an accident is make sure to call the police. It is so much better to have the police show up to the scene and take everybody's statements than it is just to exchange information with the other driver. I can't tell you how many cases we've had where our client comes to us and says, yeah, the other person said they were at fault, but then we open up the claim and start the process with the insurance company. And that other driver who was admitting fault at the scene of the accident is now telling the insurance company, oh, no, it's not my fault. It's the other person's fault. And so then we have to compile the evidence and fight that battle for our clients. It is so much easier and simpler and will expedite the process of your claim if you have the police come, take all the statements, and get the evidence and information about the accident there at the scene. Number 3 is you need to go and visit the doctor. If you have any pain whatsoever, make sure to go to the doctor and get checked out. Either your insurance company through what's called your PIP or personal injury protection, or the other party, their at-fault insurance company, will pay for your medical care. So make sure to get the medical care that you need to ensure that you're 100% better. And number 4 is make sure to talk to an attorney before you accept any settlement. That is so necessary. I have seen so many cases where a client will settle with an insurance company for a measly amount, only to find out that their injuries are much more serious and they need additional ongoing care. But since they've already settled with the insurance company, there's nothing anybody can do to help them. So make sure to talk to an attorney before accepting a settlement from an insurance company.